Hey everybody, this is Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads. Today we're in Montana and I'm doing a little bit of a different video. I came across this TP-Link Omada access point that gets my Wi-Fi out to my gate, the new gate I put in, and I just thought I'd show it to you guys. I just can't believe how good it works. So let's take a look. So what is this new access point? Well, here it is. It's the EAP650 outdoor from TP-Link. It's part of their Omada line. It's Wi-Fi 6. It's mesh, and it's a long range. They say 300 meters, but I can tell you it's way over 300 meters. It's PoE powered, so it's power over Ethernet powered. And I have this. It's hard to see. I'm going to zoom in. But I have this mounted at the top of that ladder. Sorry for the shakiness. I haven't mounted there. We'll run up there and take a look at it here. But that's 1,350 feet away. And I have Wi-Fi all the way out here. Sorry for the wind, but there's a module, a Wi-Fi module in that box that allows me to control the gate from anywhere in the world, as long as it's connected to Wi-Fi. This is a US automatic gate opener. I'm going to do a video on it. I installed it myself. It's got solar, and here's the new gate we put in with the new Whiskey 7 sign. Just had never expected to be able to get 1,350 feet. I was expecting to have to put another mesh one there to cover this area, but that one access point covers basically this 20 acres and all the way out more than 1,300 feet. So let's go take a look at it up at the hill. Alright, so we're up at the main ranch house. Got her all dried in, and stonework's done. Thank you, Jim and Jacob and Dulcie. And so anyway, there is the access point right there. And I'll zoom in a little bit. Mounts real easy on the wall. And I tell you what, I've never seen an access point get out that far. Wi-Fi 6. And way out there at the end of the road is the gate. Just to prove it's getting signal, I just hit the app on my phone and the gate's opened 1,350 feet away, roughly. So I did a test around the property. I got signal all the way around that tree line, all the way to the fence line, all the way to my corner over there, and all the way up and over these trees. So really happy with it. I didn't see much videos online about it. I don't normally do these videos on products, especially that aren't dealing with the back roads, but just didn't see much on it, and I thought I'd put one out there. So if you guys want to see some more videos of the ranch, or you want me to split the channels up, leave a comment below. We haven't been doing much exploring. The earth cruiser is here, and we've just been working on the ranch, and so the earth cruiser is going to stay. Got my ham radio antenna on the back on the Scorpion, and I've been thinking about splitting the channels up and making a Whiskey 7 Ranch channel and a Whiskey 7 Backroads channel, although I don't have any trips planned anytime soon. So hope everybody is doing well, and this is Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads. Thanks for watching.